Hey friends, so here I am on a Chromebook and I'm going to show you how to use WeVideo to make an Animoji little clip to do distance learning. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with Google because we have, our district has that, little subscription to WeVideo. And then I've already made a few examples and I've already also uploaded my video. So I'm gonna start brand new. I'm gonna create a new video. I'm going to just start editing. I'm gonna go to this project. I've already imported this video and it's from my Google Drive. So create that video, send it to your Google Drive, and then you can upload it from there or to your computer on a USB flash drive, whichever one, honestly. So I've already done that. I'm going to drag this here. And then for a video, I'm going to go to stock media and I'm just going to type in classroom. It could be literally anything you want. But obviously, since this is like digital learning, we're going to go and have a classroom scene. Now, it has videos and images, so it's just up to you. Videos move most of the time. Images, obviously, they don't. So I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to drag it underneath here, and then I'm going to drag it to be the length of my video. Okay. Now, if you noticed, you can't see the classroom. I'm going to show you how to fix that really quickly. So right here, there's a little pencil icon. It's a clip editor. You're going to click on it. And then this is the scale of your picture. So if you want it big or small, just up to you. You can also drag it and move it over here, wherever you'd like. Honestly, it's up to you. But I'm going to show you really quick how to get rid of that black background with keying. So what this does is you click on this dropper tool and you select that black and it'll remove all black from that clip. Now to fix that, because now you can't see my hair, we're going to defringe it to add some of that black back into my hair. It's not quite black, but it's going to give most of it back. Okay. And then don't forget to save those changes. And now you have a clip that you can use. When you do play it in here, it is a little choppy, so be aware of that.
Hey, it's your new 6th grade teacher, Mrs. Lucero.
But just know that once you finish it, it will be smooth and awesome. So this is the Animoji example. I would recommend saving it in HD, export it as a video, and you can pick your thumbnail. They're all the same for me right now, but you could also save it in your drive if you'd like, mark it as public, and then click export. It takes about maybe 3 minutes. It just depends on your video length and how crazy you want to get with it. So I hope that helped you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions. Now, tutorial 2 starts now. So I'm going to show you 2 ways on getting your Animoji video into WeVideo. First, I would encourage you to save it into your Google Drive, whatever that may be. So right here, I'm going to show you the easiest way. I'm going to go to Media, and then I'm going to go to this little plus to import, and then I'm going to import from Google Drive. Now you have to give permission to your drive to go into here. So right now I have my, obviously, like my drive from my school drive. Okay. So I'm in my Google Drive and I'm going to go to distance learning because that's where I had saved it. And then I named it Animoji. So I'm going to select it and it's going to load. So as soon as that loads, I'll be right back. All right, so here's my Animoji video. So I can go to my projects and I can finalize that now. So whenever I have projects, I can make as many projects as I like. I just have to click on that plus sign. So to upload that video here, you would click import and you would do the same thing. So either way, I hope that helps. You will need the Apple app, the Animoji app, to be able to do this though. So I can't wait to see your videos. Have a great day, you guys.